Welcome to Tiny Terra TV, where stories come alive. Let's start the story.
Good morning.
Don't forget your shawl. Yes, my dear.
Kunta. God bless you, my dear child.
Thank you, Mother. That was such a delicious meal. Thank you so much.
Oh, it was nothing really. I love you, my dear.
I love you too, my love. My dears, welcome home.
Oh, we missed you so much.
And what do you think happened next?
Oh, you'll never guess.
That's it. Keep going.
Look, such sweet mangoes for my little ones.
Yes, eat well, my dears.
Thank you, Grandpa.
May every path you tread lead you to joy and peace.
Let's try to make the A a bit straighter.
Very good, my dear. That is much better.
Have some more, my dears.
The best peanuts in the village.